Hello everyone. Write the letter P like this and then a digit 3. Now join the lines to make the face of the bird, make its eyes and the beak. Make its tail and then you have to draw the legs of the bird like this. Make its wings and it's ready. Next you have to make a hen, so make the beak of the hen, complete its body, make the crown on the head of it like this. Now after that you have to complete its face and the body, make its wings and then its tail on the back like this. Now make its legs and color it with the colorful colors as shown in the video and it's done. Next you have to make a fly. So make the lines like this and after that make the body of it, make its face, make its eyes and the pattern on the wings like this. Make its legs on the sides and draw the lines like this over it and your fly is ready. Don't forget to color it with the brown and black color like this and it's done. Next we'll be making two loving birds, so you have to write the digit 2 and then complete the body of the birds. Make their eyes and the beak of it like this. Now make the branch like this and make some leaves over it and then complete their wings and body as shown in the video. Draw the tail of the birds like this on the downside and then make their legs, color it and make some hearts near them and it's done. Next we'll be making a butterfly, so make their wings like this. Now after drawing the lines, we have to complete the body as shown in the video. Now make the wings and the eyes like this. Now after that you have to make the patterns over its back wings like this. Make their legs and draw the lines and it's done. Next you have to make the digit 2 and the 5. Now after that you have to draw the lines further, make its beak and the eyes like this. Now draw the wings of the birds and then draw the branch of the tree like this. Make the leaves, make the tail of the bird and then make the lines over its wings like this. Color it and it's done. Next we'll be making a beautiful peacock, so draw the lines like this to make the body of the peacock, make its eyes, beak and the crown on the head. Now you have to make its long, cute and beautiful tail like this. Decorate it with the colorful colors. You can draw the lines like this inside it and then color it and it's done. Next you have to make a honeybee, so draw the two circles and then make its eyes, make its nose and the patterns like this on the downside of its body. Draw the lines, make the wings on the sides of it, make a sting on the downside. Now you have to color it with the black and yellow color like this. Make its legs and it's done. Next moving forward, we'll be making the digit or the shape like this and then make the eyes, beak and the crown on the head. Now you have to make its legs like this. Now make the feathers on the back of it. So here we are making a peacock. Draw the lines inside its feathers and decorate it with the colorful green colors and it's done. Next we have to make a dragonfly. So make the eyes of it and then its body. Now make the wings on the sides of the fly like this. Make its eyes and then make the wings and then color it like this. Make the wings carefully and use the yellow color to fill the color inside it and your fly is ready. I hope you liked it. You can choose any color of your choice. Next, make a heart shape like this. Now you have to make the face of the bird, make its beak, eyes and the wings in the between like this. Now you have to make its tail on the back, make the branch of the tree on the sides on which she's sitting like this and then color it and it's done. Thanks for watching.